Okay, I'm back. Oh, let me take the pop filter off. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning up this, since I released the clipper, I'm gonna clean up this template project. So I'm probably gonna leave these components here. Yeah, so the attachments, let me just let's see, can I say null pointer and build it? Okay, no, apparently not. So I'll just comment out all of the attachments. Okay. We're gonna leave the oversampling one, I think. This way I can remove everything from the audio processor and leave all of this intact. I don't really need everything actually in here. So like I'll get rid of everything except for quality. Okay, good, quality is at the end, so this is a little easier. Okay, get rid of that. I guess I'll get rid of all of this. Oops. I'll get rid of this scope. Get rid of these. Let's get rid of all of that. And then I'm gonna get rid of these actual files. Let's see, these init ones in the DSP. I don't really need to save that. I mean, I know how to remake that. Init clipper. So I'm gonna get rid of the components. I'm not gonna get rid of the header component though. That's gonna stay. Get rid of this comma. And then I probably need to go into the UI methods and get rid of, yep. Knit window, paint. Post stuff, clip stuff, pretone. Let's see what happens. Perfect. Okay. So if I remember correctly, if we go into dial, I want to look at the mouse over. We changed the way the mouse over works. And you know what? While I'm here, I'm going to get rid of all of these tabs. And I'm gonna go back and dial. Yeah, I remember I had to change this to lightness for some reason. I don't remember why. I don't know if I actually figured out why, but let's just do that. And then the menu. I think that's okay for the menu. The toggle. I guess that's okay. Oh, and you know what? Now the real question is, I want to go in where I changed something in the juice module. So I think I'll just open up GitHub desktop and it should tell me if anything's changed in juice. Yeah, look and feel v2. Oh, and draw group component. Okay, so I'm gonna go into okay, so I need to go and make a new style for draw group component outline. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Group component. I need to go into the style sheet. And oh, draw group component outline. Wait, did I do this already? Oh, I did this already. Where's that at? G.stroke path. There should be two of them. Okay, that's it right. No, there's one of them. I switched it to 3. And then perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the actual module and change those back. So look and feel v2. Oh, this is it. So this back to 0. And this back to 2. And this 24 back to 15. Perfect. Okay. Now V4, what is this? Draw button background. Draw a rounded rectangle. Oh, this, okay, so this one is a mistake I made. This is the one that wasn't actually linked up. This one, I think. No. Yes. 928. Well, that's gonna take forever. It's in draw combo box. And it's path stroke. Yep. Back to 2. Oh yeah, that was for the combo box, but I didn't really like, I had made a thicker border, but I ended up not even using the border. Draw combo box. Oh, and then I did the corner size also, okay. So from 4, it should be 1. Okay, and then draw button background. There's a space that I made for some reason. And that's in, yep, that's in V4, so around 300 something. It's fill rounded rectangle, set color, draw a rounded rectangle. What? Draw a button background? Else. Okay, this is it, but okay, well, I'm just gonna say discard changes. Okay, so yeah, apparently there's whatever. Okay, cool. So now my juice modules aren't messed up. And let's see, what do I want to do? Do I want to keep working on my dials? I think I do. Let's bring in the pre-tone. Mm-hmm. Wait, header component is, let's see. Put this at 0. The Y at that. Get height, I guess. The width is going to be width. And then the height is going to be it doesn't even matter. Some issue with an attachment. Oh, there's a power attach right there. I'm hoping that's what it was. Cool. But why are the dials not showing up? Add make visible freak dial. Set bounds. Oh, I didn't do set width and height. Let me find the pre-tone. Oh no, actually, where's resized? UI resized. It was this. So gave it width and height. And I had given it oh wait, that was post tone. Oh, left margin and top margin. Okay. And a certain width and height. That should be okay. Okay, there we go. Let me just give it the same as the original one. So this should be no issues. This should be exactly how it was before. Yeah, okay, cool. So, I mean, I really do like the way they look. It would be cool, maybe. Well, I was gonna say it would be cool if the little dial tick wasn't a rectangle, was a little more rounded, but actually, yeah, I think it wouldn't be too hard to do that. So I'm gonna go into dial, okay, and then no, dial style. So it's gonna be looking for the hard dial. Okay, so the dial tick. Oh, dial tick is a path. It's not a rectangle. Oh wait. Wait, is there an add rounded rectangle? Yeah, okay, it just needs the corner size. So let's do it like that. Oh yeah, it's pretty subtle, but yeah. In fact, let's make it 1. Okay. Back to 2, and then let's back it up back it up a little bit. So it's the X position and the Y position. Okay, so how do we back it up closer? X position is I have no idea. I'm just gonna have to play with these numbers and see what it looks like. Okay, no, it offset it. Okay. What if we make this 8? Hopefully that moves it back. Okay, yeah, that moved it back. Way too much, but yeah, at least we know that's what it is. So let's try 4. Is that cool? Let's see what the black looks like on the blue and red dials. Oh, wait. Oh, this was what I wanted. Wait, okay, hold up. Go back. Okay. I want this one. That ought to do it. What? Oh, I'm in the post tone. Pre-tone. Black. Okay. Finally. Okay. Oh, we needed to do a force shadow on the blue one. Forgot about that. Notice that right whenever it spawned in. feels instantly ugly. Maybe the blue one looks better with the white. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, looks good. Let's see, what else can we change? I could look at fonts. Best fonts for user interfaces. I don't like that. Definitely don't like that. These look almost the same. Like I don't know. I don't know how to pick fonts. Like it just whatever. For one, oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, but I got 2 new patrons. Okay, let's check out. I feel like the font size could be bigger. Like it looks fine whenever the interface is small, but yeah, let's do that. Got where that's happening. Let's see. This is the draw rotary slider for the hard dial. I mean, I don't think it's in here, right? No. So where could it be? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Let's go up to 24. Yeah, ridiculous. 18. Maybe still a tiny too big. I feel like 16 is probably where a lot of headings are, so maybe 16. Yeah. I guess it matches the size of the dial much better. The only problem is I don't know how that'll look on a small laptop screen, but I'm sure somebody will tell me. Let's do we try some different fonts. I guess I could try this. Actually, it looks okay. All right. Let's go to the label. Oh, the label has it just, yeah. Cool, that looks good. Then I guess we could change the, let's see. I think it's the last one I made, the combo box. Yeah, font. Yeah, here it is, right here. Yeah, it looks good. Starting to question my judgment on this dial tick color. Pre-tone. I think it does look better. So if that's the case, I might go into the dial. Get that track color ID, I think it was. So we can go into here, track color ID. Replace that, and then we can go back into the pre-tone and get rid of this extra stuff. Track color. Okay. Cool. Oh. Oh, these still need the force shadow. Yep, that works. Okay, cool. So I guess I'm gonna take that out for now. One thing I wanted to try was, let's see, so right now we have one parameter. Let's take it out just for a second. We'll build, and we shouldn't see anything except for the header. Oh. Oh. Can't return params if it didn't exist. Okay. I wonder if I need to get rid of these listeners. Probably do. Hold up, that's probably the issue, but I still want to get rid of these. Okay, well, I don't know what it's complaining about. Whatever, cool, we got a blank plugin. Now, I saw Josh, the audio programmer, do this. What you can do is for quick prototyping, you see that the reason we're getting the UI is because we're turning this processor editor, which is the processor editor, a UI. What we can do is instead of that, we can return new juice. I think it's called generic audio processor editor. And then I'm assuming I put the same pointer this. And what this will do is whenever you create a parameter, like when you add a parameter like this, it will automatically just put up a UI, a generic UI element for you. Let's see if that works. Yep. Oh, and it made a tab component. It's interesting. So now if we go into here and we make a new one, let's make something that's going to be a slider. Auto p input equal to, let's do audio parameter float. And we don't need to set up these things the way we're doing it in this param def right here. You can just use some strings. So we could say input, and then from, I don't know, -24 to 24, start at 0. And then push it back into there. Now what should happen is a slider should pop up for the input. Yeah, look at that. So this is great for prototyping. The only thing is, this is probably a good size on a laptop, but on my huge monitor, this is kind of hard to deal with, but you know, it's all a give and take. Then I wonder, yeah, I'm guessing since these are parameters that if you build this, it'll probably save it. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this for now. It's not necessary. Okay, so that'll be a good clip for Instagram or something. Let's see, what do I want to start? I kind of want to start working on another guitar amp. Okay, so what do I need to do to start working on a guitar amp? Or is there something more interesting I've been wanting to do? That is the question. Oh, I still have the stereo widener. Oh, I could make another compressor. Oh, you know what I've been wanting to do is make plugins for streaming. I kind of want to make like a channel strip for streaming. So like, let's see. I always look for something like this. I haven't found one that I absolutely love. Online whiteboard. Okay, well, this isn't bad. So how do you erase stuff? Oh, the board will be deleted in 24 hours. Create a Miro account to save it. We have here smart drawing, eraser. That's cool. Okay. So I would want maybe like, what do I have on right now? If I pull up the mic in Streamlabs, I go to filters. I have an expander and a limiter. But I kind of also want to EQ. So I feel like maybe it would be cool to have something that you could use as either a compressor or an expander. So like what if we had that's not how you spell limiter. Now the expander could be a couple of different things. We could have a compressor. You could have an actual expander. You could also have a gate. And my worry is that if you have these three things and the expander can only be one of these, you're kind of limited. But at the same time, the people who are streaming are not audio engineers. Like they don't need complexity. So they could have an expander, a EQ, and a limiter. And the expander could be, I think it would be easy to go between compressor and expander, because all I really think you would do is like if input greater than threshold, compress. And then what you could do is if compressor else if expander something like this, where if your setting is compressor, you're looking for the input to be greater than the threshold, so then you compress. If you're on expander, you're waiting for the input to be less than the threshold. Oh no, and you compress, because if it's less than the threshold, you want to bring it down, right? That's what I'm doing with this expander. Yeah. So something like this. Then the question is, where do you put the gate? Because having the gate first could be pretty useful. Having the gate last could also be useful. Do you really need a gate if you have access to the expander? Yes, you do. Okay, so okay. I think you could have a button that says like gate before or after. And also, thing to think about is how many parameters you want to give them, because so the Streamlabs expander has a ratio, threshold, attack, release, and output. The limiter is really easy, just as a threshold and a release. Like, I feel like the expander, I feel like they don't need access to the attack. I feel like you can just set the attack to like 10 and that should be good enough for people. Release though, that could be, I mean, even release, I feel like you can just set it at like 100 or something, it'd be good. Maybe let's just start doing it. I'm gonna go back into here. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna use this. So let's do this. Let's make this called Thresh. And this will go to like -60, I guess, to 0. Start at 0. And then we can also make a ratio attack and release. Okay, so the ratio is going to go from 2 to, what is this one? It goes to 20. Start at 2. Attack can be from like, I don't know, 5 to 100. I think that works. So let's see if that comes out on the UI correctly. Yep. Thresh, ratio, attack, release. Very cool. I guess we could have something similar to quality. We could have a type. And this could be type. And that's probably good for now. Cool. Could also have a preset. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna copy just this part. I want to see if there's other options. Audio parameter, int, float, bool. So there is a choice one. String array choices. Okay. Does that mean like this? Does that work? Oh, wait, it doesn't like something. No matching function call for make unique audio parameter choice. Is it because of this? So it wants a string array. Audio parameter choice. Is that what it said? String array. String array creates an empty string array. Is that a juice thing or is that a C++ thing? Ah. Is it this? Does that work? Ah, yes. Cool. So we'll say streamer. We'll say voiceover and I don't know. A streamer would be really aggressive. You'd need to have like the limiter on and you'd have to be catching peaks. Radio would be a little bit more toned down and voiceover would be really toned down. So, you know, whatever. We'll go with that. Cool. That's pretty easy. I think maybe we could do the same thing for type. Oops. Types. It would be compressor and expander. Yep. Oh, cool. So there's only 2, so it makes it a button. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Put that at the top, and then I'll make another one for quality. Qualities. Normal, and then 8 times oversample. Yeah, there we go. Normal, 8 times oversampling. Compressor expander. Presets or streamer. Radio voiceover. Cool. Cool. Start working on the DSP. Let's make a new CPP. Let me save real quick, make sure. DSP. DSP, yep. And then new CPP and header. So we'll say LV Dynamics. I'll go copy stuff from the clipper. Oh, I didn't realize. Yep. Okay, so dynamics. The only thing that's in here is Progma once. So we'll say dynamics. I don't think I'm going to use the clipper. Dynamics. Don't need these clippers. Don't need clipper type. Don't need set clipper type. I'm gonna keep log scale. Let's see. Don't need that. Dynamics right here. Cool. So we're gonna have K thresh. Attack. Release. Crap. Oh wait, this is what I'll do. Ratio. Okay, so thresh, ratio, attack, release, trim, bypass. It's probably good enough. I don't think I need these coefficients. Okay, here we go. Smooth value, thresh, ratio, attack, release, and then trim. This one's going to be starting at 50, this one at 500. Then trim also 0, so we're thinking of that in dB. Yeah, we're thinking of that in dB. Good. We've got a reference to prepare in the block. Probably all we need. I'm gonna keep this pi divisor in there just in case. Let's check this out. Dynamics. Yep. Okay, so we've got prepare. We've got this process block. And just for fun, I'm going to put the block loop there. And let's see. Set parameter. I think I'm going to put the process block at the very top. No, I'm going to do prepare, process, and set parameter just like in the header. Set parameter. And we can actually just go into the clipper, and I'll just go ahead and pull this set parameter, switch parameter, dynamics. Let's see. Cool. What do we have? Fresh. Ratio. Attack. Release. Trim and bypass. This is gonna be thresh. Ratio. I'll get rid of that for now. Mix. This isn't mix. This is attack. Release. Trim. Okay. Does that look right? We've got dynamics all the way. Okay, we got thresh, ratio, attack, release, thresh, ratio, attack, release, trim, bypass, trim, bypass. Okay, and then we need to go into the prepare function, and since these are smooth values, we need to call reset on each one of them. Hold up. That would be 100 milliseconds. That would be 10. So let's make it 20 milliseconds. So that'll be for all of them. Thresh. I'll even do it for ratio. Attack, release, trim. Very good. And we're pretty much all set up. So let's see. removed BT clipper stuff and added new dynamics DSP file. Okay, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick, so I'll put you on pause. Okay, I've got my handy hack audiobook by Eric Tarr, which is a gold mine for a DSP. Let me find the compressor part. Okay, here we go, dynamics processor. Cool. There we go. Oh, here we go. I had it marked. I didn't even realize it. Okay, so I know that's the mark right there. So let's, before we dig into that, let us go ahead and call a set parameter on each of these just to make sure that we are getting each one. So let's see. There we go. If parameter ID is equal to, what is this, type? we do something. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got type, preset, brush, ratio, tack, release, and we need a trim. So it's going to go from, I guess, -24 to 24 for right now. And it's going to start at 0. Need to push that into the params. And then grab it and do this. Okay. So, let's do this. Debug. We'll say so we can pretty much paste that in all of them, and then we'll just change the text. That's probably all we need. Let's run it and see if this links up for us. Well, oh, we don't have listeners. That's why. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if that works. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Oh, the quality doesn't have one. Type. Compressor type is 1, compressor type is 0. Yep. Preset 0 1, 2, brush, ratio, attack, release, trim. Yep, looks like they're all working. Okay, so that means we can go ahead and replace all of these debug statements with the parameter call that they associate with. So we're going to start with thresh. Oh, I need to go into the plugin and dynamics. And then I need to make an object from that dynamics class. Yep. Hey, what are you doing? Dynamics module, whatever. And we're gonna say dynamics module dot set parameter lv dynamics parameter id k thresh, and then that's gonna get new value. Boom. That's it. I need to move that over to the other ones. What are you doing? Ratio, attack, release, trim. Okay, very good. We dynamics dynamics module dot prepare spec and process block upsample block or okay, that should be good. So we should be at least getting audio through. Let's just make sure that works. Oh, you know what we could do? We can go to dynamics and we can say data sample times equals 5, so that's louder, so that we know something's happening. Okay, open up good old Logic. Cool. Cool. We did everything right. All right. Take that out. I guess, let's just start. Okay. We are going to need to initialize the attack and release. Okay, we're going to need access to the sample rate. And, okay. let me just show you what I'm looking at. So we need to do something with the attack and release. We'll make a new variable called alpha attack. And this is initializing. Oh, we also need, let's see, we need access to the sample rate. Okay, so we have the sample rate, and we need to say sample rate is equal to spec dot sample rate, so that we have the project sample rate. So we're gonna make this called alpha attack, and this is going to be let's see, std exponent, so negative std log of 9 for some reason, divided by the sample rate times the attack. And the release one is going to be very similar. Let's see. Oh, it's exactly the same. So it's going to be alpha release. So what are we going to need to do? We're going to need those to be let's see, we need to initialize those. Not 100% sure. Let's see. The best way to do this would be oh, you know what we could do? Go into prepare to play. Okay. Like that, and then so we have that there, but we also need to update it whenever we change the maybe these need to be smooth values as well. Do they have to be initialized? No, should be okay. So then instead we'll say set target. And then we'll copy all of that in there. Cool. And then do pretty much the same thing. But this is going to be release we need to do alpha attack dot reset with spec dot sample rate and then 0.02. Okay. So that way we can do this. I think that should be good. And then anytime we need to use attack or release, we'll say alpha attack dot get next value and alpha release dot get next value. Cool. So that's the first thing. I just wanted to set that up because that is in the book. He puts that at the top of the process block, but if it doesn't actually need to be updated every frame, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna put it there on the bottom. Oh, and then he makes a gain smooth. That probably we could leave in the process block, so let's do that. Auto gain smooth is equal to 0.0, I guess. Oh, he actually puts that. The very before the for loop. This is, he does all of this in MATLAB. I'm just kind of transposing to just, you know, C code. Oh, interesting. So he makes a variable to hold the input, but the absolute value of it. So auto x unity is equal to the absolute value of data sample. Okay. Cool. And then we've got we also have a dB. That's gonna be, I'm just gonna take the, oh right, it's backwards. So instead of the regular log scale, it's this, it's the inverse of it. Is that log 10? Yeah, so log 10. X unity times 0. Oh, no, it's, he has divided by 1. Which is kind of weird. So it's turning the input into a unipolar. I don't know why I put unity. Unipolar. What's the point of dividing it by 1? It's the same thing. What's the point of the dividing it by 1? I'm gonna take it out. Okay, and then we're gonna make sure that we're gonna make sure that we have no values that are less than negative 96 dB. So that would basically be infinite, negative infinity. So we're gonna say if X decibels is less than negative 96, 0. X decibels is equal to negative 96.0. Simple. Okay. And then we get to the fun stuff. So this is where the meat of the compression happens. So we're gonna, like we know, a compressor waits for the audio to go, to reach the threshold, and then it starts compressing it. So we're gonna say if, which input do we use? dB is less than threshold. No, greater than threshold. Now, what do we do with it? Oh wait, there's a variable that I'm not aware of. Wait, he uses a new variable. Or it must be in a previous page. Oh wait. Yeah, okay, so he has this thing called gain SC. I don't know what that is. I'm looking for it on previous pages. Gain SC. Okay, well, I don't see where that comes from, so I'm just gonna make it. Not sure if it needs to be a smooth value yet, so we'll just have to check. Gain SC. What? Thresh is a smooth value. Get next value. Is that not what I was typing? Whatever. Gain SC is equal to thresh plus and then divide it by R. And what is R? Oh, ratio. Yeah. About to say. Cool. So if the signal is greater than the threshold, we are going to say that I'm assuming this means gain scaling. So you've got thresh, which let's assume that the threshold is set to 4. So we've got 4 plus, if our decibel level is, like, let's say our threshold is -16. If our signal is -12, this is going to be, let's see, -16 minus -12. So that's going to be -4. So the remaining signal over the threshold gets divided by the ratio, which is how a compressor works, right? If it goes above the threshold, it gets pulled down accordingly, according to the ratio. Cool, makes sense. And then else is an else statement. Else don't. But do we really need to say else? Yeah, because gain, yeah, because this apparently needs to be set to decibels, this input value that we've got. And then we're gonna say a gain. Oh, apparently there's a gain change dB. So let's make that. This might be unnecessary now that we have the smooth value, but let's write it out and see what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. So we want to know if gain change has happened. Oh wait, we have a gain smooth and a gain smooth previous. I'm guessing because he did this in MATLAB, there's less issues with scope, so you can just randomly put new variables. So let's go here. Let's gain smooth prev. And that doesn't need to be in the process block either. Gain smooth prev. So gain smooth is equal to, oh, this complicated, okay. Is that a 1? Yeah, okay. We've got a 1 minus alpha attack. Dot get next value. Okay. Times gain change dB plus alpha attack get next value times gain smooth prev. So what this is doing is using the attack time to smooth the current gain to gain smooth previous over time, over the same time as the attack. Okay, then there's an else. Is it similar? Yeah, the same thing with the same exact thing except using release. And then of course we got to update the gain smooth at the very end. Gain smooth prev is equal to gain smooth. I wonder if these need to have, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and initialize them just in case. Really don't know what they should be. There's one line in here that I'm unsure about. It says convert to linear amplitude scalar. So it says oh, this is what we do. We'll take our block and it's going to be equal to data sample times it's going to be multiplied by, so basically what's happening here is that the gain smooth variable is the compressed signal. So like when we did the clipper and we had a variable called clipped signal, and then we could just send that to the output. Similarly, in this compressor, the gain smooth is that compressed signal. So we just need to multiply that by what's in our block and we'll have the compression, but we need to convert it to dB. So we need to do our conversion right here. Gain smooth times 0.05. And that's probably it. You can run it and see if it works. Cool. All right, so we got drums right here. See if it sounds like compression. Let's say ratio. Let's put the ratio high. Threshold, I don't know. We have 16. Oh, you know what? And let's do times the same thing, but for the trim so that we can param.get next value. That way we have an output smoother, or output volume control. Okay, let's see here. Something's not right. Oh. Attack and release is messed up, I think. No, one of the smooth values is messed up, I bet. Oh, you know what it is? I bet it's from doing this. I bet it's from doing this. Maybe attack and release shouldn't be smooth values. Let's do this. And then we go up here. See, just in case I'm wrong, I'm going to comment these out instead of deleting them. And let's see. Alpha attack. Alpha release. Alpha attack. Alpha release. And then is that it? Yeah, that's it. Let's see if that was the issue. I guess there's no reason to try to do a smooth value for attack and release time, because it kind of already is smooth because it's attack and release time. Okay. No, it did it again. Wait. Maybe I miscopied something. In fact, I already have a compressor. Better on comp. See, it'll be easier if I put it on my other screen. Okay, let's see. The unipolar thing. Yep. dB. Sure. And then if decibels less than -96, decibels equal to -96. If xdB, wait, what's this xdB? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, if xdB is greater than threshold, gain is threshold plus that minus thresh divided by ratio, else gain equals that. Gain change is equal to gain SC minus decibels. If gain change is less than gain smooth previous, gain smooth equal to 1 minus alpha attack times gain change dB plus alpha attack times gain smooth previous, else the same thing except with alpha release. Then well, I mean, the only thing that's different is I have gain smooth previous after or before the output. Also in my compressor, instead of doing a block, I'm just taking in the sample and returning the sample. I mean, I don't know if that shouldn't really make a difference. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna take smooth value off of everything. So it seems like I need to scale the attack and release a little bit better. Probably need to do like a skew from midpoint or something like that. Like that doesn't sound very compressed. Like for example, if I pull up one of Logic's compressors, let's see here. Attack from 0 to 200. So at 50 and 50, it should be very obvious. Wow, it's so different. Hold up, do I have my bedroom comp here? Hmm. It actually sounds like compression. Hmm. Let me check and see what this medium speed means. Should be somewhere in the no idea where it will be. Well, I don't know. Let's check the what the hell? Speed value strings. Oh, I guess it's in the compressor itself. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't even know what I did. Apparently, I made a 2D array with the speed values in it. Okay. All right. So medium is 18 and 350. It still barely seems like it's doing anything. And I have to thresh it like 6. What if I drive the input into it like really hard? Where's the compression? It doesn't seem like it's compressing harder. So yeah, there must be something else that is going wrong that I'll need to figure out. But I think we're at a good spot to stop because, I mean, we got it all written out. We just need to figure out why it doesn't sound quite right yet. But yeah, I think that's going to be it. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you.